So it turned out it's actually look pretty nice. Since this is my first time apply the dark wax, so I did learn some tips here and there. Maybe I start with a corner where I wanted to darken it first on the edges, and then getting darker, and then just make sure the first stroke is not too dark, and that could be maybe dab onto a blank I don't know, plate or somewhere, just to tap off the extra wax first and then apply there so you can get evenly toned. But I think even this, I think it looks fine because it just kind of have a natural look. And then I bought this lavender Trader Joe and this lamp from TJ Maxx, and I think they look pretty good together. So this will be my nightstand. And now I'm gonna paint this one. I bought this from also used, only $20. But I think I'm gonna paint it because you can see the color here. So that would be my next project.